Preparing the soil is a fundamental step in creating a productive and healthy garden. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting, understanding the basics of soil preparation is essential for success. In this comprehensive video, we'll cover everything you need to know about getting your soil ready for planting. From assessing soil type to improving fertility and structure, we'll equip you with the knowledge to create the ideal growing environment for your plants. 1. Understanding your soil. Begin by explaining the importance of knowing your soil type. Discuss the different types of soil, sandy, clay, loam, and how they influence drainage, water retention, and nutrient availability. Provide guidance on conducting a simple soil test to identify your garden's specific needs. 2. Clearing and preparing the area. Detail the necessary steps to clear the gardening area effectively. Discuss removing weeds, rocks, and debris to create a clean slate for your plants. Highlight the importance of ensuring adequate sunlight and proper drainage for optimal growth. 3. Soil amendments and compost. Explore the benefits of incorporating organic matter and compost into the soil. Discuss how these amendments improve soil structure, increase fertility, and enhance the soil's ability to hold water and nutrients. Provide instructions on how to apply compost and other organic materials effectively. 4. Balancing soil pH. Explain the significance of soil pH in relation to plant health. Discuss how to test soil pH and the importance of balancing it within the appropriate range for the plants you wish to grow. Offer tips on using lime or sulfur to adjust pH levels. 5. Fertilizers and nutrient management. Provide insights into using fertilizers to supplement soil nutrients. Discuss the different types of fertilizers available, their NPK, nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium ratios, and how to apply them correctly. Emphasize the importance of using fertilizers in moderation to avoid nutrient imbalances. 6. Mulching for soil health. Explain the benefits of mulching and how it helps retain soil moisture, suppress weeds, and improve overall soil health. Discuss different mulch materials and their applications based on specific plant needs and growing conditions. 7. Seasonal soil preparation. Offer guidance on preparing the soil for different seasons and types of crops. Discuss specific considerations for spring planting, fall gardening, and winter cover crops to enrich and protect the soil year-round. 8. Soil maintenance and improvement. Provide practical tips on ongoing soil maintenance, such as regular testing, organic matter addition, and crop rotation. Discuss the importance of long-term soil improvement to sustain a thriving garden over time. Following these basic soil preparation guidelines, readers will have a solid foundation for a flourishing garden.